Very good morning. Well, I am Rajneesh Kumar. In my last class, in my 38th class, I discussed about the comprehension. You can also synonymously say termed as the passage and the paragraph. What the importance of the comprehension, I made my lecture I made these things very clear in my last lecture. Without comprehension, you will not be positioned to find out the real fact. Means कि basically the comprehension is a fact checker of your English approach. Basically, the comprehension is a fact checker of your English approach. So, if your English is good, definitely you will comprehend much. When you will be comprehend much, your answer will be solved easily, and where your answer will be solved easily, it means you will be in position to score up a very close marks, and you will comprehend the thing in a better way. A comprehension is not only limited to the comprehension. It is not only comprehension of the 10 marks, and if the question is the 2 and the 20 marks. The comprehension is the overall examination of your approach towards the given topic. That is why the importance of the comprehension is so much high in the class 8, 9th and the 10th. Generally the question number 1 and the question number 2 is marked as the comprehension. So please understand the importance and the vitality of the comprehension. In my last class, I also discussed about the S3, where the S1 is scan. You will have to study about the text matter on a given topic for the 5 to 6 times. Then after, the second phase was the systemize. If the data is well in your mind, then after the number third was the select. When the data is well in your mind, you have well comprehend. Now you have to give the answer of your learned, comprehend data which is well in your mind as per the question. In my last lecture we discussed about the S3. Here I am talking about today the functional and the application aspect of a comprehension. Functional and apprehension. Functional and today the class is very much pinpointed for the functional approach and the application approach about the comprehension. Here you have to take some warning and the caution and some mental alertness must be possessed by you. Suppose in a text matter, suppose in a comprehension text matter, the data has been given. Here, the data has been given, the Ram is the eldest son of Dasrath. It has been supposed written here. And the question is, who is the eldest son of Dasrath? The general opinion, you will give the answer only in a very shortcut manner, that is the Ram, R-A-M. But this is wrong. You have to write in a very lucid and in the sentence expression. The right answer is Ram is the eldest son of Dasrath. Sometimes the data of the comprehension is not mentally digested by the reader. Suppose in the data it has been written 3 plus 3 is equal to 9, and the question is, what is the output of 3 plus 3? the common and the more than a smart boy will give the answer. The addition of 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. Yeah, answer will be 6. This is a wrong. The addition of 3 plus 3 is equal to 9, because you have to give your answer on the basis of the comprehension, and whatsoever the matter it has been written, this is the full and the final. So please understand and take care in the giving the answer. So another style of the application and the function of the comprehension. Don't go for the study of the whole item which has been fully given in the text matter. Only select the answer of a question. Suppose the question is written here, who is the eldest son of Dasra? Here you have to take the answer of these things only. Go for this. But this is a time taking. But this is also some of the grammarian and some of the expert also says in this manner. So I think the comprehension I complete today. This is the important one. Never forget, and especially for the comprehension, never rely on the other boys. Whatsoever I gave and whatsoever you learned from my 2 class, this is more than enough to solve your comprehensional problem. The real meaning of the comprehension is nothing, it is simply to comprehend. So please understand, release the negativity in your mind and go self and simply check fact about the comprehension. If you find my English is not up to the mark, go for and improve it. Because without improving and without up to mark level of the English, you cannot break the apprehension of a comprehension. So comprehension is needed for you. This is the fact. This is the needed for the class 8, 9th and the 10th. This is the one question costing around 8 to 10. Costing is the very high. It is more than the 30% of the total your marks of the English. So please realize the fact. This is the fact checker. Apply S3 formula and also apply caution and the warning. So in the meantime, I request to please stay in your home. This is the big time under the COVID-19 and pay your special attention towards your study. Thank you.